Okay, thank you. Again, guys, good morning. Today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 4, surface area of pyramids, page 517. Now, let's remember, guys, what we took until now. Until now, we took for the first prism was rectangular prism. In the rectangular prism, guys, we have 6 rectangles, 6 faces. And the rectangular prism has length, width, and height. And it has 2 formulas, a formula for the volume and a formula for the surface area. The volume for the rectangular prism is length multiply width multiply height. The volume, the surface area for the rectangular prism, we took its formula 2 multiply length multiply width plus 2 multiply length multiply height plus 2 multiply width multiply height. So for the rectangular prism, we took 2 formulas, a formula for the volume, a formula for the surface area. The second figure, or the second solid figure we took, is the triangular prism. Triangular prism. And for the triangular prism, we took surface area only. We didn't take the volume of the triangular prism. We took surface area. And to find the surface area for the triangular prism, we said we started from the 2 triangles. We started from the 2 triangles, okay? And the 2 triangles are congruent. So we say 2 multiply area of a triangle plus the area or area of 3 rectangles, remember? And the net, it was 2 triangles and 3 rectangles, mostly left, right, and bottom. So to find the surface area of the triangular prism, we found the area of the 2 triangles, one of them, then multiply by 2. Then we found the dimensions of the 3 rectangles and find the area of them one by one. These what we took until now. These what we took until now. Today we'll take something new, pyramids. Surface area of pyramids. Yes, Rayyan.
No, only I want to answer.
طب wait يا حبيبي. Okay, guys, these what we took in the previous lessons. Okay, don't confuse with them. Be careful what the question wants, what you want to calculate, volume, surface area for rectangular prism, surface area of triangular prism. Now today we have another type of solid figures, which we call it pyramids. Now in general, we said, in general, guys, don't forget that. In general, we have 2 types of solid figures. We have a prism and we have pyramid. In the prism, we have 2 bases and the sides are rectangles, like the rectangular prism, like the triangular prism. 2 bases and the sides are rectangles. 2 bases and the sides are rectangles. But in the pyramid, we have 1 base and the sides are triangles, like square pyramid, for example. Square pyramid. The base, we have only 1 base, guys, and the sides all are triangles. Here, the sides all are rectangles. We have difference between prism and pyramid. Today we'll talk about pyramids, and we have 2 types of pyramid. We want to talk about them. The first one, we call it square pyramid. Focus, please, guys. Square pyramid. Now, what is the square pyramid? We name the pyramid depending on its base, like the prism. The prism, if the bases are triangles, we say triangular prism. If the bases are rectangles, we say rectangular prism. Same here. If the base is square, we say square pyramid. If the base is a triangle, focus please, we say triangular pyramid. Now, how we know if it's pyramid or prism? By the number of the bases. If we have two bases, prism. If we have one base, pyramid. Now, let's graph the square pyramid together. Let's graph the square pyramid together. The square pyramid, the base is a square. Square. When I say square, I mean the four sides have the same length. Focus, please. The base is a square, and when I say square, means the four sides have the same length. And we said all the sides of the pyramid are triangles, like this one. If you visit Egypt, there are 3 pyramids in Egypt, 3 huge pyramids. I think they are rectangular pyramid, not square pyramid, I'm not sure. Similar like this one. So here we are talking about a square pyramid, means the figure down is a square, the base is a square. And when I say square, means the four sides in the red one, in the red color, have the same length. Now here we have the side length. I will call it S and S because it's a square, not length and width in the rectangles, remember? And the height of the rectangle, of the triangle, sorry. How I will know the height, guys? Always the height has right angle with the base. Don't forget that. So the dotted line, this one, we call it the height of the pyramid. Now here we have a line, this side of the triangle, we call it slant height. This, the height of the triangle, the height of the pyramid itself. But this line, these lines, we call them slant height. In the area, we don't use the slant height. We use what? The height itself, which has right angle with the base. Don't forget that and don't mix with these two lines here. How we find the surface area of the square pyramid? Look here, please. The surface area equal, I will ask myself, how many faces we have for the square pyramid? Down in the bottom, I have one face, the square. And around, I have 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, and the one behind, 4. All of the 4 rectangles have the same base because down we have square. And they have the same height. Means if the triangles have the same base and the same height, they have the same area. So the surface area of this figure is, first we start with the bottom, area of the square. Plus 4 multiply, why 4? 4 triangles. Area of rectangle, area of a triangle, sorry. This is the surface area of the square pyramid. How we find it? Base, square. How we find the surface area? Find the area of the square plus 4 multiply the area of a triangle because the 4 triangles have the same base and the same height, so they have the same area. This is the first one or the first part of the pyramids. The second one is triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. When I say square pyramid, the base is square. Triangular pyramid, the base is triangle. How we graph it? Triangle, make a triangle. The base is a triangle. So it will be something like this. This is our base, triangle, normal. And we have up on the sides, what? Triangles. How many faces we have? We have the floor, the bottom, and the 3 triangles around. Not 4. 4 here, because we have 4 sides. Each side is a base for a triangle. Here, we have down 1 base or 3 sides. And each side is a base for a triangle. So here we have 4 faces, but here we have 5 faces. Now here, how we find the surface area? Same idea, but down we have triangle. The surface area here will be, and focus please, surface area here equal area of the base, the triangle in the base, the red one, plus area of the 3 triangles around, plus area of 3 sides اللي هم التريانجلز اللي فوق. And we will come on this tomorrow inshallah. Let's stick with this one, the square pyramid. And let's go directly to example 1, guys. Please focus. Please. Let's go directly to example 1. In example 1, we will find the net and the surface area. So let's go to example 1 together. Page 518. Please go there, guys, please. Yeah, page 518. Read Rayyan, yalla. I back to you.
Draw and label a net to represent the square pyramid.
Good. We have a square pyramid here, guys. Down, if you see down, guys, the base, we have the length 4 and the width is what, Rayyan?
The width is 4 centimeters.
So we have the length and the width have the same length, means it's a square. It is what? Square.
Square.
Means the 4 sides down, have the same 4, 4, 4, 4, right?
Yes.
So here, guys, I will graph it on the board and please focus again and again. Down, we have a square, and here they wrote 4 centimeters, and here they wrote 4 centimeters. And they make the triangles up to be square pyramid, right? How we make the and given the height, right?
Yes.
The height is how much?
7.23.
The height is 7.23 centimeters. Focus, guys, to understand the whole figure here. The whole figure has down, we have a square. This one, square. 4, 4, 4, 4, square. And the height of all of the triangle, not only this one, this is the height of the pyramid, 7.23, because it has right angle with the base. Don't forget. This is not the height, guys. Focus. This line here, we call it slant height. You will use it later on with other things. But here in the area, we use what? The original height. Now, all the 4 triangles, guys, have the same base and the same what?
Height.
Let's make the net. To make the net, it is easy. Start with the square. The square. And label. This is 4, 4, 4, 4. Label means put the sides lengths. And I will bring like Caesar and cut all of these triangles and make them sleep. On each side, we have a triangle. So here we have a triangle. Here we have a triangle. Here we have a triangle. And here we have another triangle. It's like a star. Now, all of the triangles have the same height, which is how much, ya Rayyan? 7.23. لا تسرح. لا تسرح حبيبي. لا تسرح. ركز. So here the height, and here the height, and here the height, and here the height. All the heights have the same 7.23, 7.23, 7.23, 7.23, 7.23. This is what we call it the net of the square pyramid. Now let's find its surface area here beside it. The question wants only the net, but I want to find the surface area. Let's find the surface area. Rayyan, are you with me?
Yes.
We said here, the surface area of the square pyramid is area of the square, which is in the base. See it?
Yes.
Plus 4 multiply area of
a triangle.
يعني a triangle, يعني one triangle. Why one triangles? If you take a look to the net, all of them has the same base and the same height. So no need to find the area of this one, this one, this one, and this one, then add. No, one enough and multiply with 4. Got it?
Yes.
Now, what is the area of the square? Do you know?
The area
of the square.
It's 4
أيوة.
centimeter.
The area, not the side length. This is the side length. I want the area of this square. Do you know?
7.23.
Do you know or you don't know? ركز معاي أنا لا تضيع وقتي. Do you know the area of the square or no?
No.
No. Good. Wait and focus so you know.
Okay.
Badr, do you know the area of the square?
Yes, Mr. Yes.
What is the area of the square?
The area of the square is base by height.
ماشي. What is the area of this square?
A equals 4 by 4.
Yes. Rayyan, are you with me?
Yes. يعني 4 multiply 4.
Exactly. The area of the square, guys, is S by S, remember? If we have a square with side length 7.
Because it is square.
Side length 7 means 7, 7, 7, 7, right? So the area here is 7 by 7. Normal. S by S. Got it? So here, S is 4. So what's the area of the square?
4 multiply 4.
So here, the area of the square, 4 by 4, plus. Follow this one, plus 4 multiply area of a
triangle.
Type, high 4. Why 4? Because how many triangles we have? 4 triangles. Multiply area of a triangle. Do you know the area of the triangle? ريان.
Yes.
لا تسرح حبيبي، بسألك رد علي. لا تسرح. Do you know the area of the triangle?
Base 4 multiply 4.
لا يا ابني لا. The area of the triangle. Do you know the area of the triangle or no?
No.
I know.
No. Don't talk about that. مش معقول ما اخذناش الاريا of the triangle يا مستر ريان. ركز حبيبي الله يسعدك وراجع الفورمولاز. What's the area of the triangle يا محمد؟
يس مستر half BH.
half BH ما مرت عليك يا ريان؟ triangle base height equal half BH ما مرت عليك؟
لا.
جايز اللي عنده صغير الله يسعدكم. half BH ما مرت عليك يا ريان؟
لا
ما شفتها هذه؟ ما اخذتها قبل هيك؟
لا أخذتها.
طيب يا ابني مالك. So here 4 multiply area of a triangle which is half multiply
BH.
base multiply height. What's the base of the triangle?
4.
The base is
4
4.
and 4 and the height 7.23.
The height is 7.23. So what's this? Area of the square. What's this? Area of the
Area of
4
triangle.
triangles مع بعض. Not one triangle, I put 4
The 4
triangles.
triangle.
So if I found the area of the square and the area of the 4 triangles, means I found the whole area, which is the surface area of this one. Now calculate. This is equal, multiply, calculate. The answer will be, we have 4 multiply 4 plus 4 multiply half multiply 4 multiply 7.23, 73.84.
Mr. You close your
73.84.
camera.
I know يا ابني, I know. اعطيني بس لحظة. 73.84 what? What's the unit? Centimeter?
Squared.
This is example 1. Let's do the check, but I will do it quickly, guys. I think I have 2 minutes maybe only. Let's do the check together بسرعة واكتب معايا الله يسعدك. ركزوا. Check. Page 519. I have this square pyramid. It is graphed in your book. In the square pyramid, in this check, I have 4.8 length, 4.8 width, means it's a square. 4.8, 4.8, it's feet, right? Means the 4 sides have the same length. It's a square. And the height of the triangle or of the pyramid is, the height is given 2.9. And in your check, guys, they gave you this side and this side. We call them what? Slant. The slant, we don't need it in the area. We need the height with the right angle of the base. Don't forget that. So here, what's the net? The net is the square with the 4 triangles with it. You can graph it. Add triangles. On each side, you make a triangle, okay? The base is the same. 4.8, 4.8, 4.8, 4.8. The height is the same. 2.9, 2.9, 2.9, 2.9. The surface area is, copy guys, please. First step, the area of the square, which is length by width, side by side, 4.8, multiply 4.8, plus 4, why 4? We have 4 triangles. Multiply area of the triangle, half BH, which is half, multiply the base, which is the side length. The base is 4.8. Multiply the height, which is the given height, not the slant height, the height of the triangle with right angle of the base. Don't mix with that. 2.9. Calculate. All of these numbers, calculate them using your calculator. It will be 4.8 multiply 4.8 plus 4 multiply 0.5 multiply 4.8 multiply 2.9 is 50.88. 50.88 feet power 2. I found the net, I found the surface area of it. I need to finish this period now. Hope you understand it, guys. And please watch the video again, because these exercises and these ideas here